In this video, we show how to replace a power supply unit on a PowerEdge R770AP. Before working inside the system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect the system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the power supply, press the release latch and slide the power supply out of the system. To install the power supply, align it with the rear of the system, slide it all the way in until fully seated. For more information about the PowerEdge R770AP, visit dell.com/support.